Hey YouTube, sorry. Hey guys, so let me tell y'all what's been going on, what's been happening. So the reason I am home in Washington, Maryland, because I got sick. So what happened was I got sick. I don't know how. Don't ask me how. Yes, I'm okay. And thanks for all the people who asked if I was okay, what happened, was checking on me. Sorry, it's just loud. Thanks for all your support. Like, thank you very much. And I just wanted to tell you like what's been going on. And all my videos from North Carolina dropping today, like right now, right now. I just uploaded day one. So what happened was I got sick and I went to the hospital in North Carolina. My mom came and got me. We came back to Maryland and I had to go to this hospital. I won't say the name, but I had to go to that hospital. And then, yeah, but I am going back to North Carolina on Monday and staying until like Thursday or Wednesday. But yes, it's only me. None of my brothers or sisters came. But, yeah, thanks. See y'all later.